Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We doing some Grubhub today. Look at this huge big boy order we got. This order got lots of items on it. $27. This one came in at, I think it said 5 or 6 miles. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna double check. I'm gonna triple check. We picking up 11 items at Drunken Fish. I wonder if they got it ready. I got this order from the crib, you guys. It says 9.5 miles and I'm cool with it. Because what you gotta realize is I was already gonna leave the house and head to that area. And if I didn't have to leave the house, we could subtract like 3 or 4 miles from that. So this is like a great order. 27, almost 28 bucks, 5 miles. Man, let's knock it out. I'm here now. Let's see if they got it ready. Picking up for Jared. Nope, not quite ready. That's okay. How long you been there?
Waiting for a fucking Doordash order.
Is it a catering order?
No, it's one bag.
It's a one bag?
Yeah.
Man, the one I got it.
What's the name you're waiting on?
Jared.
All right, that's the next one up. They're finishing bagging it up.
All right, so should I wait here or should I wait?
No, you can wait right here.
Okay.
I saw them.
Awesome. Now that is a big old bag right there. It don't even fit in her. It really don't even fit in her, but it's sealed up. We finna get this thing dropped off, $27. Let's go. First order of the night. In case you didn't know, if you schedule a block with Grubhub, you are more likely to receive good offers like this one right here, and you're more likely to receive consistent ones. That's good.
How you doing?
Oh, not too bad. Thank you. You might get a quick picture for
Yep.
on my phone. So there we go. I got it. This thing is. Thank you. You too. All right. Let's see if Grubhub want to send me another one back to back.
I owned a pawn shop
Which one?
in Granite City.
Really? Oh, okay. Which pawn shop?
It's called Jim's Pawn and Jewelry.
Jim's Pawn and Jewelry down in Granite City. Well, hey, I'll be coming.
Get on YouTube.
I got you.
Get on YouTube. Put Jim Hudson.
Hold on. You say Jim Hudson? Okay.
Electric Unicycle Explained. And interested people like yourself, I answer all the questions that you have.
Electric Uni?
Hudson Electric Unicycle Explained.
Whoa, that's you right there.
Yeah, that's me.
That's awesome. Well, hey, my name is the Dashing Trader.
All right. Well, you can get a hold of me through that pawn shop if you ever want.
Well, look, I just subscribed. I'll be checking you. Whoa. Woo, look at that. Oh, I can't wait. He said he finna sell me one. Oh, man, look at that. That dude going. Oh, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Shout out to Jim Hudson down at the pawn shop in Granite City. I will be paying you a visit.